Hey guys, what is up? This is your guy DJ. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna talk about a 70,000 gaming build. I hope you like this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this build I've chosen Ryzen 5 3600X. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor, has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz. We'll be using the stock cooler with this processor. Since that will be enough, the processor can support all games and should not bottleneck your GPU. Processor is also good for your basic productivity and editing needs. For the motherboard, we have gone with a Gigabyte B450M DS3H motherboard from Gigabyte. It's a ATX motherboard that supports up to 64 GB of RAM. At the back, the motherboard has all your usual USB and display output. Also, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is present in the motherboard to provide for connectivity options. For the graphic card, we'll be going with Zotac GTX 1660 Super 6GB edition. This graphic card should be able to play all modern AAA titles at 1080p. Also, in productivity tasks, this graphic card should couple nicely with Ryzen 5 processor and give you a good editing experience. For the RAM, we'll be using XPG Spectrix D50 RAM from ADATA. It's total of 16 GB. It's a DDR4 running at 3000 MHz. It's a RGB RAM, so you can customize the colors according to your need. 16 GB should be enough for this build. It's enough for gaming. For the storage, we'll be going with two options. One is SSD from Crucial. It's a 240 GB SSD which has read and write speed of 500 Mbps. It should make your PC boot up faster and also help in app launch times. For the general storage, we'll be using a hard disk from Seagate of 1 TB capacity. To power all these parts, we'll be using a power supply from Corsair. It's a VS550. It's a 550 watts power supply which is 80 plus white certified, has clean and efficient power. It also has 5-year warranty, so it should give a long-term durable experience. To house all these parts, we'll be using a case from Deepcool. It's the Matrix 50 Black Edition. It's an all-glass case. Also, it has shroud for cable management and has also space behind the case to nicely manage your cables. These are all the parts we'll be using in this build. The total comes around 70,000 rupees. If you do have more budget, I suggest you increase your SSD storage. Also, you could go with the faster SSD, which is NVMe type SSD. And you want to cut short your budget, then I can only suggest to go with the Ryzen 5 3600. Other than that, if you go for other case, you should get a decent case in the range of 2000 to 2500 and it will help in reducing your budget further. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content like this. Do like and share. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.